In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix text in Mailchimp. If you've ever worked on an email campaign and noticed that your text isn't formatting correctly, maybe the fonts look off, the spacing is weird, or it just doesn't match the rest of your design, don't worry. These issues are incredibly common, especially when copying content from other sources like Word or Google Docs. The good news is that fixing them is simple, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to clean up your text, ensure it looks professional, and have it align perfectly with your campaign's design. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns section. This is where all your email campaigns are stored. Find the specific campaign you want to edit, whether it's a draft or something you've already sent, and open it. From there, click into the Email Designer. This is the tool Mailchimp provides to help you customize your email's look and feel. Once inside the Email Designer, locate the text block that's giving you trouble. Whether it's a headline, a paragraph, or a button label, click directly into that section. You should now see the content of the text block open up for editing. If the formatting issues aren't immediately obvious, don't worry, we're going to reset everything to ensure a clean slate. The next thing you'll want to do is highlight all the text within the block. You can do this by manually dragging your mouse over the entire section, or, to save time, use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl-A, and on a Mac, press Command+A. This will select all the text within the block, so you're ready to make changes. Now, take a look at the toolbar at the top of the editing box. This is where you'll find all the tools to style your text like bolding, underlining, and alignment options. In this case, we're looking for the 3 dots icon, which expands additional formatting options. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu or more tools appear. From the expanded options, you'll notice a button labeled Clear Styles. This is the key to fixing your formatting issues. When you click Clear Styles, Mailchimp will strip away all the existing formatting from your text. This includes things like font choices, sizes, colors, and even line spacing. Essentially, it resets the text to Mailchimp's default styles, which are clean and consistent with the platform's templates. Once you've cleared the styles, take a moment to review the text. You should notice that it now looks plain and uniform, matching Mailchimp's default design. This gives you a blank canvas to work with, free of any lingering formatting issues. Now that your text is clean, you can begin reapplying any specific formatting you want. For instance, if you need bold headings to make certain sections stand out, or if you want to include links, go ahead and add those back in. Use the editing toolbar to make these adjustments and keep your overall design in mind. This is your opportunity to ensure the text aligns perfectly with the rest of your email's look. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully fixed the text in your Mailchimp campaign. Remember, clearing styles is a quick and effective way to resolve most formatting issues and can save you a ton of time when designing your emails. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.